Hey guys, this is Gloria. Happy Easter to everybody. I am back to pull another winner for my video that was titled A Little Bible Journaling Share plus a small giveaway to say thank you. As you guys know, I did pick a winner about a week ago, and she did not get back to me at all. I tried to private message her. No, I didn't receive anything back. Um, I haven't received a comment on that video showing that she even seen the video. So I'm not exactly sure what was going on there, but I did want to go ahead and pull another name. And this time, the person does have, I'll give them 48 hours, which today is Sunday. So until Tuesday, to get back to me, leave a comment on this video saying that you saw the video and then private message me your address, and then I'll send your goodies out to you. Um, so yeah, unfortunately, for the other winner, she just didn't get back to me, and I'm not sure what's going on. So I did want to, give these things away to someone that would like to use them. And so anyway, let me go over to YouTube Random Comment Picker, which is right here. I'm just going to type in or copy the URL into the box here, and I'm just going to click go. It tells me that I have 64 unique commenters. I'm just going to click start right here, and it is going to pick a random winner for me. And let's see, the winner now is Becca324. It says, my favorite verse is Jeremiah 29:11, because it's a great reminder that God is in control of our future and to stay hopeful and to trust that He has it in control. Your Bible is coming out great. I'm getting one maybe this week and can't wait to decorate it and really start studying my word. Thanks for sharing. So, Becca, you are my new winner. So if you can, please get back to me within 48 hours, letting me know that you saw the video and that you're going to send me a PM with your address so that I can get your goodies out to you. The sooner that you PM me with your address, the sooner I will drop it on off because it is all packed up and ready to go. So that is about it, guys. If anyone knows Becca324, if you can go over to her channel or let her know that she has won my giveaway, that would be great. And to everyone else, I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome Easter. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.